In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Claude Fable 5 is currently unavailable error when using Claude. First, refresh the Claude page by pressing Ctrl+R or clicking the refresh button in Chrome. Temporary server or loading issues can sometimes trigger this error. Next, open a new tab and make sure your internet connection is working properly. Try visiting a few websites to confirm that Chrome is connected to the internet. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. In Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, select Delete Browsing Data, choose Cached Images and Files and Cookies and Other Site Data, then click Delete Data. Once that's done, close Chrome completely and reopen it. Then sign back into your Claude account and check if the error has been resolved. You can also try opening Claude in an incognito window. Click the three-dot menu and select New Incognito Window, then sign in and test the service again. If Claude works there, a browser extension may be causing the problem. Finally, if the error continues, the model may be temporarily unavailable due to high demand, maintenance, or server-side issues. To check, open a new tab and search Claude status. Here, check if that is the case. If it is, you need to wait until they fix this problem. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.